Hello everyone, today we will talk on the application of e-commerce in business. E-commerce and its technology can be applied in the following core business function or areas for optimized result and for better product and services at a less cost. Application of e-commerce is visible in the following areas: value chain integration, supply chain management, direct marketing and selling, corporate purchasing, and last, financial and information service. We are going to discuss on the application of e-commerce in value chain integration. Before we discuss value chain integration in detail, let us first understand the concept of value chain integration. Some of you might think that what is a value chain? Value is at the heart of every business. Your profit margin is the amount of value you can create minus the cost of creating that value. So, greater the value and lower your cost, the higher your profit will be. A value chain is a business model that describes the full range of activities needed to create a product or service. For companies that produce goods, a value chain comprises the steps that involve bringing a product from conception to distribution and everything in between, such as procuring material, manufacturing function, and marketing activities. A value chain is a step-by-step business model for transforming a product or service from idea to reality. Value chain help increase a business efficiency so the business can deliver most value for least possible cost. The end goal of a value chain is to create a competitive advantage for a company by increasing productivity while keeping costs reasonable. The concept value chain emerged from the business management and it was first described and popularized by Michael E. Porter of Harvard Business School in his book Competitive Advantage: Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance in 1985. He proposed a model for intra-organization value chain integration. In his concept of a value chain, Porter split a business activities into two categories: primary and supporting activities. Primary activities consist of 5 components and all are essential for adding value and creating competitive advantage. Inbound logistics. Inbound logistics include functions like receiving, warehousing, and managing inventory. Operations include procedure for converting raw material into a finished product. Outbound logistics include activities to distribute a final product to a consumer. Marketing and sales include strategies to enhance visibility and target appropriate customers, such as advertising, promotion, and pricing. Service include programs to maintain product and enhance the consumer experience, like customer service, maintenance, repair, refund, and exchange. Support activities. The role of support activities is to help make the primary activities more efficient. When you increase the efficiency of any of the 4 support activities, it benefits at least one of the 5 primary activities. These support activities are generally denoted as overhead costs on a company's income statement. The support value chain activities include corporate infrastructure, human resources, technology development, and procurement. Procurement concerns how a company obtains raw material. Technology development is used at the firm's research and development stage, like designing and developing manufacturing techniques and automating process. Human resource management involves hiring and retaining employees who will fulfill the firm's business strategy and help design, market, and sell the product. Infrastructure includes company system and composition of its management team, such as planning, accounting, finance, and quality control. Now let's see what is value chain integration. Value chain integration is a core business function in which e-commerce technologies and application can be applied to maximize the value of the total customer experience. Integrated process and application which are part of the value chain which lead to an increase in revenue, higher customer satisfaction, fewer defects, and with many more benefits. The integration of various trading partners and activities across the value chain is essential for efficient functioning and creating value to the customers. A tight integration or coordination across suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors is needed for the smooth working of the organization. Delay in placing the order of raw material may lead to shortage of inventory and it may affect the value chain. E-commerce provides opportunity for efficient integration of value chain through internet. Business organization can now place orders, track orders, send invoices, exchange information, and clarify queries through internet very fast. Open standard for electronic document exchange through internet allows all companies to become suppliers and consumers in the business-to-business e-commerce platform. Value chain integration has been defined as the process in which multiple enterprises within a shared market cooperatively plan, implement, and manage the flow of goods, services, and information from the point of origin to point of consumption in a manner that increases customer perceived value and optimize the efficiency of the chain, creating competitive advantages of all stakeholders involved. Thus, it is a process of collaborating and optimizes all internal and external activities involved in delivering greater perceived value to the ultimate customer. Value chain integration connects the organization system with its suppliers, consultants, supporters, and distributors using internet. This enables uninterrupted automated processing. For example, Walmart is a company that is successfully making use of value chain integration. Walmart shares its inventory data updated daily with more than 4,000 suppliers on its private network. This facilitates the speedy supply of items. The integration should happen at two levels. that is intra-organization value chain integration and inter-organization value chain integration. Intra-organization value chain means value chain activities inside the organization which includes primary business activities and supporting activities. And inter-organization integration means between trading partners of the business like suppliers, manufacturers, distributors. Each and every stage of value chain adds value, and therefore if you integrate the entire value chain by supplying information and process, a better product will be result. The term supplying information means supplying production, distribution, inventory information to channel partners like suppliers, intermediaries, third party, provide service providers and customers. This network of trade relationship can be successfully integrated to e-commerce after identifying the value chain in the organization in terms of cost and value added. They can be integrated into the e-commerce platform for better monitoring and execution. Value chain integration connects the organization system with the suppliers or distributor system using the internet. This integration leads to a joint manufacturing execution plan, keeping the customer's need in the center. Such an arrangement provides seamless integration within and between enterprise, enabling automated processing and controlling of activities across the value chain. The other possible mode of value chain integration are procurement using online searches to identify appropriate source of supply, marketing using online advertising or portable sales terminal, market research, etc. Human resource management using electronic media to advertise vacancies in the organization, training programs, etc. Servicing or fault diagnosis or troubleshooting using online assistant. I hope you have understood the application of e-commerce in value chain integration. See you in the next video of different application of e-commerce in business. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.